Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. Yo, what's going on, dog gang? We lit back for another video, and today we're gonna be doing a Trippie Redd type beat. I know, from out of nowhere, right? Like, I have not done a Trippie Redd type beat since the summer, probably. I was like listening to some of Trippie Redd's songs. Like, he had one song with Juice WRLD that I was really messing with, and I was like, you know what? Let me make a Trippie Redd type beat. So that's what I'm gonna do. What did you say, nigga? I'm gonna make a Trippie Redd type beat. Okay, so yeah, I'm probably just gonna like open up. I'm thinking of using electro because I have a few sounds in mind for like a nice melody. Because I know Trippie Redd has like really like sad, kind of dark melodies, you know what I'm saying? And I wanna, you know, use that. So I got a few sounds in mind. But before we get into the video, don't forget to follow me on Twitch and Instagram. Links are in the description, okay? I'm posting on Instagram, OD. I'm always trying to stream on Twitch, so go follow me on those things. And for this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I forgot, I haven't said this in a while. Turn on post notifications, okay? I know a lot of people not getting my notifications. A lot of people keep saying that. Hit that so you can get notified when my videos drop, because you don't want to miss them, okay? They're bangers. Every single one is a banger. Put on notifications, okay? We got that? Are we clear? Okay, good. I'm gonna go ahead and what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, make this Trippie Redd type beat. So wait, hold on, I need to turn off the heat. I'm too damn hot. I'm too black for this. I'm too damn black for this. It's too goddamn hot. But yeah, let's go onto the computer and do the thing with the thing and the DAW. And yeah, gotta get my headphones, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get them on, like so. All right, let's open up Electro. Alright, that's decent. That's a decent starting melody, alright? God damn, I wish you guys could see this. I would show you what the snow looks like outside, but I don't want you stalking my house. So, I'm not gonna do that. You know what? That's kind of fire. I ain't gonna lie. That's a little fire. Like, if you, all I need to watch this.
6.5 hours later.
Guys, I have found it. I got it, y'all. Okay, I got it. Now let's browse our options. You know, let's not be too hasty. Okay. Guys, oh my god, bro, I'm a flippin' genius. Okay, let me look for another counter melody. Let's look for an actual counter melody. found a counter melody. Sound a little similar, not gonna lie, but they go together very well. Probably explains why they sound so similar. But here's what it sounds like. Man, I wanted to use Atmosphere, and I'm gonna do that. So let's do that. Gotcha. Alright, look, I'm gonna show y'all this beat, alright? Just promise me something. You gotta promise me something. You gotta promise me that if your computer catches fire, if you get any third-degree burns from this heat, you can't sue me, alright? If you continue to watch this video, you're agreeing to not sue me. If that makes any sense, okay? Because this is fire. Alright, let's look for another, man, forget, I'm going to the drums, alright? I'm adding a sub bass for the, you know, the intro build up part, then we're gonna go into the 808, you know what I'm saying? But, anywho, let's look for that sub bass, alright, Citrus. Oh yeah, if I haven't mentioned already, because my phone camera just died, I'm not doing the 808 because it's like, why? It sounds fire as hell already. Why fix what's not broken? That's the #1 rule. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm not gonna fix it. Okay. All right, let's continue this. All right, let's do this real quick, shall we? All right, let's try this. Oh, I'm gonna be unique today. Oh, we got the sauce today. I want to show y'all the hi-hats, but you know what? I'm not gonna do that. Not yet. Relax. I'm gonna show it. Relax, okay? If I show you now, your house is gonna explode, okay? I'm sorry. It will. At least your computer will, all right? But or whatever device you're watching this on, okay? Let me just chill out, all right? I'm gonna do my thing, all right? I got you. Don't worry. I got you. All right, y'all. You know what? Before I go any further, all right, the beat is done. All right, it's like completely done, officially done. Mixed it just a little bit, EQ'd some of the stuff in the beat. So what I'm gonna do now is, of course, I'm gonna lay it out. Of course, I'm not gonna show you. Duh, that's the way I do videos. Are you mad? I know you're mad. But anyway, we're gonna do that and finish the beat, and I'm gonna show you, and then we're done. So sit back, relax. Don't piss your pants. All right, let's go. Beat is all done, ready to go, and it is very, very, very nice. Okay, so be careful. Okay, this beat's got a lot of heat. It's very, very, very fire. So take precautions, put on your oven mitts, whatever you gotta do before you listen to this. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, make sure you leave a like on the video. Okay, I'm gonna need you to do that. Hit the like button, please, for me. Okay, hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Okay, on Instagram, Twitter, everywhere, you know what I'm saying? On Instagram, Twitter, everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget, speaking of which, follow me on Twitch and Instagram, okay? Follow me on Twitch and Instagram, just do it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, it's the most important part, okay? Subscribe to the channel, okay? So do all that stuff, please. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Unorthodox.